A swimming pool, brother. So we up. So all who want make time. You see it there? The main road, they just divert.
You see it, them viewers, a normal pre-patrol ton swimming pool boy. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Gvnman, Mvrda Bruce and Mobay brawling plus wanted man Ronald get wall with a Glock 19 and the belly full and Mobay+Alex a butterfilm life in a hospital. So before me jump in the reasoning, I make you know what I want. Pre this.
A swimming pool, brother. So we up. So all who want make time. You see it there? The main road, they just divert. Time up. You see it? Where they all look on the main road. We are St. Thomas Bossy. We have all pole on it.
You see it, them viewers. Welcome to Jamaica. That a normal patrol ton swimming pool at St. Thomas. Can you imagine? You drive on the big main road and when you wind down your window and look to the left, and that you look pan big patrol full up of water so people can all swim in it. My viewers, you see why PNP and GLP can't buy my vote. Cause them not do nothing for the people them boy, you know. Every day we see the people them a ball boy, you know, and a suffer boy, you know. When them not ball say them want light. Them a ball say no water no in a them pipe. Till see it you know. Walk around the 14 parish and the 3 county boy. Be a patrol. Some of them patrol you could have lost in a them. So see them a people. Wanna think about this. Swimming pool in a Migla road. Pa main road. A St. Thomas. Where the MP there. Where the councillor them there. Them no see where I go on. Some of viewers who no walk with me and now. See the man you wanna see on the screen. The elder ya, Bruce. Gvnman them murder the elder Mobay. And when I say elder, them man ya column, them man ya foundation. You know long them man ya hustle and a juggler Mobay. And nobody never do him nothing yet. The man sell him little phone card, sell him gleaner them, guy him yard, go take care of him family them, and then come back and come do the same thing. Till some little low life boy murder the man, me I tell you no. People, this one you know see all type of foundation and column a dead boy. Yeah. And now you know says a different time in the boy. Yeah. Them youth you no care about nobody. Once as the dance and the general them say if you go, them a go run out come bust out your head. Put 9 ball in your skin and send you go dead house. So see me my people, Bruce, the man a column, foundation and Mobay. The whole Mobay feel it for this, for that brother ya me I tell you no. So you say anybody will do this, remember man, you go get it in the wickedest way. Remember me did tell you that. So my condolences to Bruce. Your foundation, you know, deserve this. Enough people I say, I could have something where you pitney them go on with. And man come back, come dopey you for that. But my people, we never know. We never know. You hear that? So no walk with me again. But we see wanted man, Ronald Davis, aka King. Yeah man, squaddy them all the boy, you know. A Robbins be a St. Mary, you know, with a Glock 19, you know, with the belly full, you know. Half of him there in a Toyota Feeler, a drive and get pull over. And squaddy them say, look here, how this? Now one boy this way him face them on JCF wanted Wednesday. Come here boy. And grab him and lift up shirt and find the Glock 19 pan him belly. People, JCF I do them best work, you know. I try clean up Jamaica, you know. Cause enough boy the boy I try dirty up Jamaica, you know. Them no care about Jamaica, you know. All them a war and feel like say this war I go win. Get to youth. You know hear me tired for tell you no. No war now win boy. A dead house or jail house settings. So you can't stay there. Make man program you know. Run up and down with all iron in hand till you no get wanted. Till JCF come look for you or the app them pull up on the skin and fling 9 ball in a uno. So see me no more run up and down for Ronald Davis. jailhouse settings. Some people follow me and now. See that TikTok I wanna see on the screen. Alex, Yamed, aka One Yam Boss. Killer them pull up a film foot out a whole harbor and fling 9 ball in him head. Till right now, Alex a battle for film life in a hospital. Let me talk to the TikToker them this. Most of you dey on TikTok. I wanna frighten for the little fans them wanna have. Frighten for the little money wanna have. So no feel like so no good boy and people love no boy. Nobody no love no boy. Nobody no rate no boy. That's why I wanna see from one day the TikToker them a become a target boy. Cause the man them know so now make money, you know. And the man them soon make all type of talk, you know. And I live all type of life on the media, you know. So what you think happen? Bad mind are the #1 disease, boy. And if a man can't live the life where him say no for wanna live, him a got dirt, you know. And that's the thing there. So that's why I see so much of them look at TikToker youth here get dopey and I get bullied up. Cause them feel like the people them love them. Brother, nobody no love no boy. The moment you start make money, you become a target boy. All type of man can't wait for all enough for no boy. So take my foolish advice. Stop do certain things you wanna do. Stop drop on a location. Stop tell people wanna day or wanna go. Move in silence. Don't load up the thing. The bag of lippings, the bag of chattings. No go nowhere. It only lead to a early grave. Some viewers, the youth you wanna see on the screen. Gunman pull up him foot a whole harbor St. Catherine and put 9 ball in him head. The youth you lucky say him not dead. Some people, until next time, you know, me go dig off you now. Stay safe out there. Protect on 3 points out there. You don't know the code of road. A life over death. You see me?